Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 VW Tiguan R-Line. This car comes with the 2-litre turbo diesel engine and the DSG Automatic Gearbox, which is ULez Compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 45 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 51,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the pure white and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have inside, being the R-Line, you get a few sporty features. So first of all, you have the R-Line sports seats there, which are really supportive. And then also you have the leather steering wheel there, which is great to hold. A few features I can mention: you've got the multimedia screen there in the centre. You've got Apple Carplay, satellite navigation and DAB with Bluetooth. And this car also has heated front seats as well as climate control, and you've got the smart digital dash there. Onto the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. And then being the R-Line, you also have the large glass opening roof as well. The Tiguan's a great car for the family, so as we open the rear doors, you have good access there into the back, nice and wide. And as you can see, lots of headroom and legroom, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and then you also have these smart pop-up picnic tables that even have a cup holder as well, so ideal for the children. As we open the tailgate, which is electric, you have the really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have your space saver spare wheel as well, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 20-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.